Okay, how's everybody doing? Hossein, hi, how are you? Joe Dive. Today I will talk about US dollar, I will talk about gold, silver, US oil, US equities, cryptocurrencies. So yeah, also if you have questions, I'm waiting for your messages in that YouTube chat. Please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame, your levels. Risk disclaimer here, guys, and support if you have questions. Okay. Please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading it's trading it's risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Please read it. So later today, guys, we'll have the US unemployment claims and also the Canadian employment change and unemployment rate. As high impact events, the economic data could have an impact. That's why personally I wanted to take a look on all markets before the US economic data today, and I will try to identify potential setups, and if I'll have something really good, I will place the trade here, or I'll wait for the economic data before taking action. And don't forget, guys, to like the video. Gold, first of all, gold rebound, okay, in the short term, and personally I will keep an eye here on the immediate and the former highs, because after this sell-off, rebound, a new sell-off, rebound, and maybe this rebound. Richard, hi, how are you? This could represent maybe only a temporary rebound. Okay, that's why maybe personally I'm looking for potential shorts. Okay, for potential gold shorts. But of course, if the US dollar, high Olympic gold close it, possible gap from Monday after non from Carlo. What? Gold close it tomorrow. What is this? So personally, right now I don't have a trade in gold, but I'm looking for potential shorts. Okay, and yeah, tomorrow we'll have the non-farm payrolls, we'll have average hourly earnings, we'll have unemployment rate. Yeah, high impact events. But yeah, personally, maybe today I want to catch a potential trade on gold, because personally I'm still holding. Yeah, if you're a VIP member, I'm still holding my my long in the US dollar, with that trade US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Okay. Which is still in profit. That trade is only for the VIP. So I will come back with updates into the VIP group. I don't want to. I will not talk about it right now in here, or maybe maybe I will take a look on that trade. Even if this is only for the VIPs. The reason why I'm still long on the US dollar is because after what happened here, false breakdown, great separation, a pin bar, which it was confirmed, rally, a sideways movement, and in the short term, maybe we have 101.83 as support, immediate downside obstacle, or we have this block here, this demand zone. So as long as it stays above it, temporary rebounds, temporary retreats, drops, or sideways movements could signal a potential new bullish momentum here on the dollar index, and an upwards movement here on the dollar index could force the US dollar and should force the US dollar to appreciate versus its rival. So that's why personally I'm still long. Let's take a look, yeah, for the VIP members. Yeah, it's right above my entry after a rally, a retest here, a sideways movement, and personally I'm still keeping this long here, only because I told you that the dollar index could still extend its growth, and I will come back with new updates and more updates about it into the VIP channel with my trade management. Yeah, yesterday I've decided to manage my my short in Euro USD. Right before, yeah, I talked about it in my market breakdown video. I've decided to manage my position, my short position here in Euro USD before the ADP non-farm employment change, and later we had the trade balance, final services PMI, ISM services PMI. Okay, these represented high impact events, and but yeah, it seems that Euro USD was overbought. The dollar index was oversold. You saw that the dollar index turned into the upside, even if the economic data came in worse than expected. And yeah, this is the thing. Personally, I've managed my position. I've closed it at break even, and yeah, it would have been really good maybe in the short term. It would have been up in profit. Maybe temporary rebounds could bring us maybe potential deeper drop or downside continuation. So yeah, I'm looking for something else like a high probability trade like this one. Here I've used also Pitchfork. Okay, very important Confluence trading strategy here. Understanding Pitchfork, it has after please take a look here. Okay, here it has failed to stay above the upper medium line, sell off, a new rally. Here the lower medium line retest, rally towards the medium line, and here it has failed once again, or actually it has tested, retested, it has registered false breakouts above the medium line, signaling exhausted buyers. Okay, this was the rationale and the thought process, and yeah, unfortunately here it was around my entry right before the economic data, and I thought that yeah, anything could happen, and thought that worse than expected data could force the Euro USD to jump higher. Yeah, it has jumped higher because we had this scandal after poor economic data, but it has printed this scandal, signaling that the buyers are exhausted, signaling that maybe we could still have a sell-off. So personally, I'm looking for something like this again. Char, what's your take on USD, Swiss franc? Maybe. Please tell me what you're looking at, and then I will take a look also. Personally, I will be here maybe for 1 hour. I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify new trades. Okay. Gave up yesterday trying to see when should go back up. I know, frustrating. No. It's okay. So let's take a look. Right, let's start with the dollar index, and then I will take a look again on gold and silver. But personally, I wanted to talk about the dollar index, about the US dollar, and if the dollar index will extend its growth after. Please take a look here. Personally, I'm using Pitchfork, right? 1, 2, and 3. Here, it has tested, retested the lower medium line, confirming the lower medium line as dynamic support, downside obstacle. Here's the medium line, and right now, rally, sideways movement, maybe temporary retreats could still bring us potential upside continuation. And later today, yeah, the Canadian employment unemployment rate. Okay, and very important, the US unemployment claims. Okay, if the US data maybe will come in better than expected, then probably the DXY should jump higher. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and strategy, William. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video. So this is my opinion about the dollar index. I'm still holding. I'm still long on the US dollar as long as it stays above 101.83. And after what happened here, in my opinion, the dollar index is is still bullish in the short term, despite temporary retreats or sideways movement here. So let's go back. Gold. Okay, gold. As I've said about gold, and also after dropping and closing below this level, I agree. A huge thank you, Char. Okay, so as I've said, I'm looking for potential shorts, but I'll wait for the this rally, for this rebound, leg higher, swing higher to end. Okay, I'll wait for this rebound to be over, and then I will look for shorts. Okay, on gold. Right now it remains to see. It could approach and reach these former highs, and then boom. Okay, so that's why. And also silver, same here. here it has retested this this order block or demand zone. It has rallied right now. Yeah, it has reached the supply or new order block here. Let's take a look on lower time frames, maybe because maybe we can catch something. Rumors that gold could go as high as 2017. Do you think around 2024 a good place to sell gold? I don't know. Let's take a look. Right now, I'm looking for something here in silver maybe, because it has, please take a look here. It has reached this order block here. Only a false breakout with great separation above 25.2. And here I would like to see a temporary rebound to retest and then boom. Okay, in silver, but maybe I will have something. Let's take a look again on gold, because you asked me about gold. So rumors, yeah, I don't know, it remains to see. Yeah, but in my opinion, if rumors that yeah, let's take a look here. 70 again towards that former high, it remains to see, guys. Yeah, in the short term, or actually here on daily, yeah, the bias is still bullish. Okay, the bias is still bullish. Here maybe we had something like a bullish pattern, triangle or something, rally. But after this amazing rally, yeah, maybe personally I would like to see a retreat and then the price to extend its growth towards that zone. Okay, that's why right now and in the short term. OBS, my streaming software. I hope that everything is okay. If you can hear me and if everything is okay, please confirm it to the chat. So I don't know about 2024. It remains to see. I'll wait for the price to. Okay, now. Okay, Charles. Okay, thank you, thank you, Hussein. Thank you. Okay, so I don't know. It remains to see, because that's why I'll wait for this rally to end, to be over, maybe around that zone, and I want to see false breakouts or a bearish pattern, and then I will look for potential shorts. Okay, and personally, I don't. Maybe I will not place sell limit or sell at market. I'll wait maybe to see a bearish pattern, and then I will try to identify potential new shorts. Okay. Silver. Yeah, I would like the price of silver to come back towards this area and then to drop. Olympic, any chance you could take a look at GBP Japanese yen for me? Chart 15 minutes, possible bull or bear flag forming. Currently, I'm searching continuation or bullish turn. Yeah, I will talk about the Japanese yen as well. I will talk about the Japanese yen. But first of all, yeah, I would like to see a rebound here to retest, and then to extend its sell-off. Okay. Let's take a look. I don't know if we can still catch something here. So if I will place the trade, I will share it right now. I'm only I've added a potential setup here on silver on trading view, and if I will place the trade, but right now, yeah, as I said, I would like the price to come back from around this former low 24.907 to test to retest here, and then to turn to the downside to develop a potential sell-off, downside movement. Okay, so right now I'll wait. Maybe I will have something on gold after ending that that rebound. Yeah, maybe because maybe we had something here right below the former lows after testing retesting here the order block, after testing retesting the resistance, and right now, yeah, maybe I would like the price to come back here to test retest and then to turn to the downside, and maybe I will have a new entry, a higher entry. Okay, yeah, lower time frames, 2 minutes here. Gold, yeah, gold is still up, is still bullish. It challenges that order block or supply, but maybe I would like the price to come back here and then to turn to the downside. Okay, Sebastian, please, English. In English, please. Let's take a look US oil, because yesterday I've talked about US oil. US oil, it continues to move sideways. It continues to move sideways in the short term. But after its strong rally, I told you guys yesterday that maybe I'm looking for potential shorts. But right now still undecided. Yeah, yesterday crude oil inventories. Yeah, still deep in the negative territory. Joe, I'm really looking for a good oil short myself. Yeah, but right now only because also this economic indicator, the U.S. Crude oil inventories came in in the negative territory. This was maybe positive for the price of oil, for the crude oil, and that's why right now, no, I don't want to sell it, but I'm waiting for a potential selling opportunity myself as well. A range, an extended range, sideways movement, indecision in the short term, but yeah, maybe I would like to see new false breakouts here to test, to retest here, and then boom, okay, to take out, to make a new lower low, and then I will look for shorts maybe. William, using the 1 hour trend line in play. I don't know. So let's go back. Silver. Sorry. Huh. Yeah, as expected, it has reached that order block, immediate and short-term order block. It could rebound a little in the short term, and that's why I've told you guys that I'll wait, and I would like to see a rebound here, maybe to test, retest, and then boom, to go down. Okay. Okay. US 100. I will try to answer to your questions as well. I will take a look on British pound, Japanese yen. On the Japanese yen, I will take a look also. I will take a look also on New Zealand dollar, US dollar for you guys. Right. I will take a look on. Let's invite more members, guys. William. So let's take a look here on US equities, US 100. US 100, US 30. US 30 and US 500. As you already know from my webinars, from my analysis, when the DXY is bullish, or when the US dollar is bullish, maybe personally I don't want to be long also on US equities, okay? But right now I don't know if I have something really good, and if the DXY will continue to grow, then maybe I'm looking for shorts on the US equities, maybe. Yeah. What do you think about US dollar, Canadian dollar? Chris, what about that market? Please, I've told you. Please tell me what you are looking at. If you are a bull, a bear, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, your levels, your time frame. Now, okay, maybe personally I will take a look on that market, but right now I've talked about US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, and if you're a VIP member, you will get my update, my trade management. Of course, if you want to follow my management, it's up to you. If you want to follow my trades, my management, it's up to you guys. Okay, but about US dollar, Canadian dollar later, you can see here unemployment rate. Canadian unemployment rate is expected to increase from 5.0 to 5.1. Okay, and it's expected to increase from 5.0 to 5.1. Also, employment change. Okay, employment change is expected worse compared to the previous reporting period. Okay, and if the Canadian data will come in worse than expected, okay, if Canadian if Canada will report poor data, and the US unemployment claims maybe will come in better than expected, and maybe US dollar, Canadian dollar could jump higher. Okay, and that's why personally I'm still holding. This is my opinion about USD CAD right now. Okay, I'm still holding. Do you think that affects us? So personally I'm still holding for now, because yeah, the economic data will be released in 1 hour and 20 minutes or something. Yeah, can you tell me your opinion about for GBPUSD, please? Yeah, so let's go back. Let's go back. So gold, yeah, it's still bullish in the short term. Let's go back. Silver, yeah, but personally I would like to see, because after this false breakout, maybe with great separation above the upper medium line, I need a retest. Okay, I need a retest or a new false breakout, okay, before going down. Okay, before going down, and that's why I would like to, and I'll wait maybe for a rebound also to, sorry, maybe I will delete this one from here, because it was only a setup here in TradingView, and this was only a setup here in TradingView, and yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation right now. Okay, yeah, so I'll wait because maybe I will catch something here in silver. Of course, if the DXY, but yeah, right now the DXY maybe it could retest here the order block, the demand zone. Okay. And before developing the new upside movement. So let's go back, US 100. Yeah. Let's go US 100, US 100, US 100, US 100. Yeah, maybe I would like the US 100 to come back after this sell-off. No, I don't want to sell it here. Maybe I would like a rebound. I would like the price to come back higher and then to go down. So right now, no, I don't have maybe, yeah, from here after, if it will come back higher, I will look for shorts. US 30. Yeah, US 30, US 30. Same here. Maybe this could maybe represent only a temporary rebound here, and then probably I will look for shorts. Of course, if the DXY will develop a new leg higher, swing higher, then I will look for shorts on US equities. Maybe I've told you that I'm using this correlation. Maybe it's not a perfect correlation. It's not maybe a strong one or something, but yeah, if the US dollar will dominate the currency market, if the DXY will develop if the DXY will develop a swing higher, leg higher, then I don't want to be maybe long on US equities. Actually, maybe I would like to catch a potential sell-off. Okay. US 30. US 30. Lower time frames, but yeah, it's far from being confirmed right now. So I'll wait. US 500. US 500. US 500, the same here. After this amazing rally, sell-off, and probably I'll wait maybe for a potential rally here. But right now, yeah, the bias is still bullish as the DXY is still under pressure. Okay. Yeah, only because yeah, the US dollar dropped a little in the short term, only because we had this sell-off here. Let's take a look again. Gold, yeah, it's still there. He's still there. Silver, yeah, still above, it has found the demand here inside of this border block demand zone. It has reached maybe or actually no, it has failed to hit this this former low, but as long as it stays above this former low, sideways movement, and it could develop a new bullish momentum or something in the short term. So that's why I've told you I need confirmation. I would like the price of silver to come back, maybe to retest my upper medium line, and then to really develop a sell-off to turn to the downside. Okay, and yeah, I will keep an eye on this market, Euro USD. Yeah, this would have been really good yesterday, but right now it's too late. I will delete, or actually no, I will hide it, because I have this this trade and this setup in a different group. Okay, maybe I will still need it. GBPUSD. Yeah, but maybe this could be only a temporary rebound in the short term. It remains to see. It could come back maybe to retest my medium line here, and only a new higher high, maybe a new higher high, taking out the former high, and extending its growth could really activate a potential upside continuation or something. But right now, yeah, right now, yeah, it remains to see if this this flag will represent an upside continuation pattern, or this could be only a temporary rebound, sideways movement before going down. Yeah. So I will try to answer to your questions. So someone asked me about so yeah, I've talked about GU, GBPUSD, gold. Please guys, if you have questions, more questions, because if you don't have questions, personally I will end this webinar soon if you don't have questions. Okay, personally I will take a look on British pound versus the Japanese yen, because someone asked me about that market. USD, Swiss franc, what time frame? Because maybe if I will take a look on daily, you will want me to take a look on 15 minutes. Okay, maybe on daily it's bullish, maybe on 15 minutes it's bearish. So please, your levels as well. US dollar, Japanese yen. No. US dollar, Japanese yen. No, I don't have something here, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Let's take a look, and let's start with yen basket before we'll talk about the Japanese yen. Sorry, I just joined it. Hi, how are you, EBOB? Japanese yen basket. Gold going down, William. I don't know, and I told you if I will have something, or if I will, and when I will have a setup or a trade, yeah, I will come back with my setup. Okay, because right now maybe I don't want to sell it here, because we have immediate border blocks or something, demand zones. Maybe it could only drop a little before extending a new rally, or before reaching this level and extending its growth, or jumping higher. Okay, yeah, silver, but yeah, personally I would have liked the price of silver to come back, to take out maybe this former high, to register only a false breakout here, and then to turn to the downside. Okay, to retest maybe my upper medium line, because maybe this could be only a false breakdown or something, and yeah. Okay, did you talk about US 30? Yeah, I talked about US 30, but I don't have something really good right now on the US equities. ABOB. You can watch it later if you want. Maybe I will take a look again on US equities. What you if talk about it, go up. It's a short sell. Let's check Euro, New Zealand dollar looking for sell. Michelle, I've told you. I'm not your personal maybe analyst or something. I've told you. If you want me to take a look on New Zealand dollar, Euro, New Zealand dollar, please tell me what you're looking at, your time frame as well. Okay, your levels. Okay. All is about US data. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Everything is about US data. US data and also Canadian economic data, right? Later today we have a big impact in 1 hour and 8 minutes or something. Okay. So British pound, Japanese yen, because someone asked me about this market. Yeah. After its amazing sell-off, yeah, maybe a rebound was natural. Rebound was natural. Maybe a rebound was natural. And right now, yen basket again. Yeah, the current retreat or sell-off forced the yen to depreciate in the short term, but it remains to see how to react here around or right below the former low or something, or here inside of this order block or demand zone. And maybe this retreat, but it has failed to approach and reach to retest my lower medium line here, and maybe this this demand zone before developing a bullish momentum again. So yeah, maybe we've missed something, but personally I would have liked maybe the price to come back all the way down to retest my lower medium line, and then to develop a bullish momentum. Right now I'll wait. Maybe it's too late maybe to buy it right now, because it's located right below the former high. It's located below this order block or supply zone. So no, only because this could represent also something like an up channel here inside of my ascending pitchfork. Okay, and if we have only retest, false breakout, it could come back down. Okay, and yeah, maybe taking out here the resistance levels, valid breakout. Bogdan, Yankov, it's Olympiu here. Only taking out the resistance and taking out here the resistance and making a new higher high could signal potential for the growth, could invalidate also this zone here. Okay, and yeah, Personally, I will look for potential trades here on Japanese, British pound, Japanese yen as well. But right now we are at resistance. No, I don't want to buy it. I don't want to sell it right now. Euro, Japanese yen. Hi sir, what indicators you use right now? Yeah, I'm using a lot of tools because personally I don't want to trade only based on one concept or one strategy. Personally, I'm trading based on a confluence trading strategy. Okay, also using pitchfork, using indicators like I don't know, maybe RSI, MACD, stochastic, Williams, this maybe smart money concepts indicator, but I'm not trading only based on this indicator. And yeah, price action, a lot of tools, fundamentals as well, a mix between technicals and fundamentals. Travel, bro, please could you check Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, 15 minutes now? Personally, I'm not trading on that market, and you please tell me what you are looking at. You are a bull, you are a bear, you want to buy, you want to sell, your levels as well. Okay, what are you trading on the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc? The Canadian dollar or the Swiss franc? Because yeah, in my opinion, you can find or you can identify great opportunities on majors, maybe on Euro USD, British pound US dollar Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Swiss franc, yeah, gold, silver, US oil, not Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Okay, Euro Japanese yen, same here. That yen basket. Yeah, potential sell-off here should force the yen to lose more ground versus his rival. So maybe I will look also for potential Japanese yen shorts, but I don't know if I'll have a high probability setup and trade. William, is Euro Japanese yen in demand zone 1 hour? Let's take a look. In demand zone, in my opinion, right now it's too late. It's too late, guys. Maybe we had something after this sell-off and retreat. Okay, because here one moment, false breakdown, rally. And after taking out this former high, and after a change of character, maybe a retreat, a natural retreat, and here maybe we've had a demand zone, and here we had maybe a chance to go long. Right now it's too late, guys. It's too late, only because 143.45, the former high, as resistance, static resistance, and I don't know, maybe false breakouts could signal potential sell-off, and only taking out this resistance could signal a larger upwards movement. So right now, no, in my opinion, it's too late. It's too late. Yeah, it's too late. This retreat here represented a potential long opportunity. Okay, but yeah, it seems that actually we've missed that opportunity to go long on Euro Japanese yen. I'm looking for something else. Okay, I'm looking for something else. Thanks a lot for sharing. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Okay. Bitcoin. Bitcoin turned to the downside after retesting here, this zone or area, former high. Only false breakouts, and also personally have an ascending pitchfork here. It has failed to stay above the upper medium line here. It has failed to make a new higher high. So resistance zone, resistance levels. Which broker do you have? Bogdan. Here at Learn to Trade, personally I'm using an 8-cap trading account, but I don't know if you want to, I don't know, if you want support about brokerage companies or something, you can support Learn to Trade. You can send an email to support, sorry. You can send an email to support. Okay, you can send an email to support if you have questions about brokerage companies, because personally I don't know where are you from and what brokerage companies are available in your country, but yeah, personally I'm using 8-cap here. Carlo, 8-cap, good broker, important to trade the same levels. Hey guys, please confirm, can you still hear me? Because I don't know, something happened with my please confirm, guys. Okay, about Bitcoin. Sideways movement, and this sideways movement, this range could still represent an upside continuation pattern. Maybe it could only come back down to retest the range's support before developing a new bullish momentum or something. So yeah, personally I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, but after this strong rally, an accumulation consolidation is natural. Also maybe no. Maybe it could, or temporary retreats are natural before developing a new bullish momentum. Ethereum. For those who are interested in cryptocurrencies, also Ethereum sideways movement here, retests, and personally I'm still bullish. Maybe also here on Ethereum, as long as the price stays above the medium line. Okay, it could only maybe retreat later to retest the immediate support levels, and then to print a new bullish momentum here on Ethereum, because after this strong rally, a retreat, and then boom. Yeah, let's take a look again on silver. Yeah, and that's why personally I didn't want it to place a pending order here, because yeah, I would have liked here to see a rebound and then the price to extend its sell-off, to go down. Maybe I will have something on gold later. Sorry. Yeah, a first reaction in gold. First reaction in gold, but say here support and demand. One moment. Yeah, I'll wait here with gold. because I've told you guys that it could only drop a little before developing a new bullish momentum, and right now it's still located inside of my ascending pitch force body, and yeah, maybe this could represent eventually. This could represent a potential. This could represent a potential. This could represent a potential downside pattern, a bearish pattern, but we need confirmation, because as long as it stays above the lower medium line, it could still extend its growth inside of this channel, inside of this pattern. Okay. Okay, so I've talked about Japanese yen as well, Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen. Yeah, yen basket, but it remains to see also here yen basket if it will take out this support 81.28, and then to come back to retest here, and then to develop a larger downside movement, or it could find a strong demand here, maybe above 81.12, want to retest this zone, and then to develop a new bullish momentum. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for joining me here. Personally, I will come back later, maybe with something when I'll have a high probability trade and setup in gold, maybe silver, US dollar. Okay, please take a look here. Silver, yeah, it could still rebound to retest here, and then to turn to the downside. DXY, yeah, the DXY. Yeah, maybe I would like the DXY to hit this zone and then to develop a bullish movement here. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, maybe I'll wait for the economic data, Canadian and US data, before taking action, before placing new trades. Because maybe right now I don't want to place something right before the economic data, because anything could happen, but maybe I will have something like a high probability trade later after the economic data. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for joining me, and I will come back later with new potential trades and setups. Thank you guys for being here, and also right now I'm still holding that US dollar Canadian dollar, which is still in profit. And I don't know, maybe I will manage it before the economic data, or I will keep it. I don't know. Yeah, I will come back later with an update about that potential trade. Sorry, about that trade, about that position. Thank you guys, and yeah, see you tomorrow, because tomorrow I will come back with a new live webinar, and I really hope that I will have setups and trades before the non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. But don't forget that tomorrow the New Zealand banks, Australian banks, Switzerland banks, UK banks, German banks, Canadian banks will be closed. Okay, so but yeah, still the non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate could still have a big impact, and could shake the markets tomorrow. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.